Good morning. Welcome to this guided meditation practice. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable posture, keeping your back straight but relaxed. Rest your hands softly in your lap. And once you have settled in, gently close your eyes. We will now take some deep breaths to kickstart your day. Deep breathing helps to refresh your energy, let go of distractions, and cultivate focus. Begin by taking a normal breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose, allowing your chest and lower belly to expand fully. And as you breathe out slowly and gently, release the breath through pursed lips. Take another long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, release the breath with a sigh. Allow all tension and stress to leave along with the exhale. Notice the calming nature of your breath as you allow it to return to its natural soothing rhythm. Allow the gentle movements of your breath to guide you into complete inner stillness. Enjoy the sensation of your lungs expanding, creating a sense of openness. And as you exhale, feel the softening of your chest as the air passes back out through the nose. Allow your shoulders to drop down even deeper. Feel all your tension and worry be carried away by your breath. Notice how it feels to be still. Feel a sense of gratefulness for spending some quality time with yourself without any judgment, without any expectations, and without any tension. Continue to focus on the natural flow of your breath. If at any point you become distracted, it's okay. Simply acknowledge that your thoughts have strayed and gently return your attention back to the sensations of your breath. As you breathe slowly and steadily, notice how warm and energetic you are starting to feel. You may try opening and closing your hands a few times, becoming more mindful of how wonderful your body feels as it starts to wake up. Preparing to tackle anything that comes your way today, knowing that you will accomplish everything you need to get done with total ease. Allow yourself a few gentle stretches to get your muscles going. Go ahead and place your fingertips together and gently stretch your arms above your head. Reach for the ceiling and feel the soft pull down your shoulders and into the sides of your body. Lean to side gently. Feel your muscles begin to warm up. And when you are ready, lower your arms back down, feeling very comfortable. Bring your focus to your toes. Begin to wiggle your feet a little. And as you flex your feet, feel the muscles in your legs enjoy this gentle stretch. So go ahead and spend some time waking up your legs, allowing them to wake up and become energized for the day ahead. rest your feet still and enjoy the sensation of energy tingling through your toes, flowing into your ankles and all the way up your legs. Allow these sensations to wash over your entire body. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Feeling the energy begin to move freely through your body. Allow yourself to be excited for the day, ready for anything that can happen. Preparing yourself for all the possibilities that are out there for you. Feel how this positive energy flows through your body, enlivening your body. Now that your body is feeling more refreshed and awake, it is time to open your mind to positive thoughts to carry you through the day. Begin to visualize going about your day. Visualize your day ahead and see it play out exactly how you want it to go. Bring to mind all the details and just picture your ideal day. See yourself accomplishing all your tasks and goals. See yourself making good choices. See yourself making meaningful connections and having kind conversations. And as you visualize your ideal day, just become aware of your arms resting in your lap or by your sides. Allow your shoulders to drop down even deeper, releasing any tension in the body. Extending gratitude to your arms will allow you to embrace positive experiences in your day. Now become aware of your feet resting comfortably. Notice how your feet feel like, and just imagine all the places that your legs and feet are going to take you today. See yourself moving about with grace, doing all the things you need and want to do effortlessly and with pleasure. Become aware of your head balanced atop the spine. See yourself smiling throughout the day. See yourself speaking kind words to others and to yourself. See yourself making positive decisions full of energy and motivation. Allow yourself to be here for a few moments with your sense of thankfulness, acceptance, and appreciation. Allow this sense of gratitude to sink deeper and deeper within your heart. Allow this relaxation that you are feeling to remain with you as you go about your day. Take a deep breath in and allow this feeling to expand. Enjoy this pleasant feeling and feel it lashing away all your tension and stress. Feel grounded, centered, and supported. Give yourself a few gentle stretches to get your muscles going. Maybe stretch your arms, sway your head from side to side. Give your feet a little wiggle. And when you are ready, Gently open your eyes.